Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1347, that is minimum number of steps to make two string anagram. And first of all, happy Lodi from me and to your family and to you and to your loved ones. Okay, so now let's start with the question. Okay, so and today's question is that we'll be given two strings of same length S and T. It is defined that these both are of same length, and in one step we can choose any character of T and replace it with another character, and we have to return the minimum number of steps to make T an anagram of S. Okay, and I hope everyone knows what an anagram is. An anagram is a string that is a string, and if we replace some of the letters, like not replace, rearranged basically some of the letters of that particular string, and after that with the new string that will be generated, those both of the two strings will be anagram. For example, let's say straight and artist are an anagram because okay, straight, let me just zoom in. STRAI, straight and artist are both anagram of each other because we are having same number of the frequency of each character is same, like S is occurring one in this string and S is also occurring once, T are occurring twice, T are occurring twice, R is occurring once, A is occurring once, and I is occurring once. So these strings are anagram of each other. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to basically replace some of the characters from one of the strings and to make the both of the strings anagram. Okay, so now first what we can do, we can keep the track that if the frequencies are same, then we don't have to change those particular strings, otherwise we have to change the particular characters. Okay, so now first let's have a frequency array, let's call it frequencies. uh, this some spelling mistake. Frequent okay, yeah, FREQUEN CIS. Okay, now frequency that will be equal to new int of size 26, because we are just doing the character, so we need the array of size 26 only. Okay, so and now let's start reversing in the strings. For int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length, or you can even take t dot length and I plus plus. Okay, so in the frequencies array we'll be updating the frequencies of each of the character. Frequencies s dot char at I minus a, and we'll be increasing the frequency here, but for the t we'll be decreasing the frequency of that particular character. Frequencies p dot char at I minus a to get the index number minus 1. We'll be decrementing it. Okay, so now let's have a variable answer, and in the let's initialize with 0, and in the answer variable we'll be updating the value of answer with the frequency array. Okay, so that for int, let's call frequency in frequencies, we'll be updating the frequency of each character into the answer. Frequency, okay, so and after that what we have to do, we have to return answer by 2, because we just have to change in one of the strings so that we can make both of the strings anagram. Okay, so now let's run it, because in the answer we'll be storing the total number of characters that we need to change in both of the strings. Okay, so producing 0, okay, so we need to take absolute value of here. It's maths.abs. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine. So now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching, and happy loading once again.